Dear founders applying for MAP,
what I would have wanted to know is,
it's just a matter of practice. The more times you do it, the more people you can rope in to hear your business, the better you'll be. The online application, it was easier if I wrote everything I was thinking first and then cut it down and kept on condensing, rather than just trying to hit the word limit the first time around.
I've never done a pitch video before. I've never recorded my voice ever. Focused on what I had done, like the progress from the time I started my business. And then I collated all those information together. I researched almost all the companies that were, almost similar to my particular space.
Pitch in front of friends and family or people in the industry and get them to explain your business back to you so that you can hear it fresh. You don't have to submit the application at the time that you write it. I find that it's often helpful to write it up, leave it for a day, and then come back to it to make sure that what you've written actually makes sense.
Do not be overwhelmed. Yes, you need to pitch in front of a lot of people, but trust me, once you do that, it's like you have this really great feeling inside you and you can't wait for the next stage because you feel like you've accomplished something. So it was amazing and I really think you should really look forward to it, and even if you're nervous, it's okay, just make sure you use your office hours. Point of MAP is they're just there for you and they really want to help you, so try to utilize that.
Kind of informal interview with the team at MAP. I think what helped us at that point is we'd spend a bit of time beforehand getting to know the MAP team. We'd come in for open office hours. There were some friendly faces.
I still remember walking into that room and you have all these people seated around the desk and you're just like, oh God, I'm really gone. You keep thinking of all these different questions they're just gonna shoot at you. But then you end up just having this really normal and fun conversation, and I still remember how even at that particular meeting, they would, give suggestions on how you could improve your business. Even if you don't get into Melbourne Accelerator Program, I think the entire process itself is amazing because I took all these little nuggets of information that I could implement to my business then and there.
So on the final interview, it was a pretty hectic day. We had our first on-farm trial scheduled for Milawa that started that afternoon. It wasn't a huge amount of preparation that went into it apart from just really having confidence in that we knew our stuff.
So as you enter, you'd have to give in your pitch. Don't fret too much, just go for it. I mean, it's worth it and you learn a lot even in that particular panel as well. So every stage of the MAP selection process, it's like you're developing yourself, basically transform into something else by the end of the selection process.
It's such a great experience and you lose nothing by applying.
When I got that call, I remember keeping the phone and just jumping up in joy. Yes, I'm going to take my business to the next level. I really think you're going to learn so much from this program.